But I actually had lunch before this interview. And I had my favorite lunch, and I eat it almost every day because I really like it. I love sweet potatoes, and I especially love the Hannah yams, and I especially love them when they're roasted. They taste like cake is the best way I can describe it. And so I usually have it with broccoli because the combination is just delicious. About a pound of broccoli, a pound and a half of roasted sweet potatoes. That'll hold me for almost 5 hours, which is what I need to get my work done, because I don't have time to be snacking and prepping and things like that. So that's pretty much my lunch. And then dinner, well, tonight I know we're having stir fry, and we're having it's funny because you made bell pepper on my show, and it's like you got it in my head. Oh my God, I don't have any whole bell peppers, but I did have the frozen ones from Trader Joe's in my freezer, 3 colors with the fire roasted onions. So we'll put that as part of a bigger dish with, I'll cook up some rice in the rice cooker, and I'll have other vegetables like purple cabbage and carrots and scallions and maybe some ginger, garlic, turmeric. I don't know. All this stuff is in the freezer. So I'm really big on batch cooking and having stuff in the freezer so that it's just, there's always food at my house. It's always basically ready, and it just has to be assembled. So I don't have to spend that much time thinking about it. You know what I mean? So
I do.
Yeah, so I could make a sauce, but I was mentioning to you on the show, we're going to gift you with some vinegars from California balsamic, because those taste like sauces, curry, teriyaki, Gilroy garlic. So I actually asked my husband this morning, what did he want for dinner? That's what he said. Oh, and some fruit. We always put like either pineapple or mango or some kind of fruit in our stir fries. It just makes it just delicious. And I have a recipe on my YouTube channel showing you how to make it. It's very easy. And as I said, everything starts with an onion, so we got to have that onion saute. Yeah. And that's what I'll have for dinner, and it'll be very filling. And if I'm still hungry afterwards, I'll have dessert. And usually dessert is something that is made of fruit, or maybe it's fruit. I love the frozen fruit put through the champion juicer for an ice cream. That's one of my favorites, and so I'll have that a lot. But my meals are very large because I eat in accordance with the principles of calorie density. So I'm eating food that is very calorically dilute, but nutritionally full, that I can eat these huge salads and huge bowls of vegetables and potatoes and starches, because it's really very calorically dilute, but yet very nutrient dense. And I'm very happy eating this way and being able to maintain, a 50-pound weight loss now for 8 years, which is like extraordinary, because like I said, until I was 52, I was overweight or obese. And